Good morning, children. After the explanation of the chapter 8 pronouns, now today we are going to do textbook exercise. So dear children, open page number 49. Chapter 8 pronouns. Let's do. Underline the pronouns in the following sentence. What we have to do? First we have to look at the sentences and then we will read and we will underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Number 1. Shalini likes animal. She has 2 pets. Now over here, Shalini is the name of a girl, and for a girl what we use? She. For a female we use she. So we have underlined at she. She has 2 pets. Number 2, a cat and a dog live in the house. A cat and a dog live in the house. They are Shalini's pet. Over here, they we have underlined. Why? Because over here, a cat and a dog, 2 are there. So for there, what pronoun we will use? They. What we will use? They. They are Shalini's pet. 3. You will like the 2 pets. You will like the 2 pets. I like them very much. Over here we have underlined you and them. So what was the exercise? Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. So we have underlined the pronouns in the following sentences. Once again we will read the sentences. Shalini likes animal. She has 2 pets. A cat and a dog live in the house. They are Shalini's pet. You will like the 2 pets. I like them very much. Let's learn. Pronouns are words which can be used in the place of nouns and noun expressions. Pronouns are words which can be used in place of nouns and noun expressions. Some pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Some pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Now example, Anju is a policewoman. She is brave and strong. Anju is a police woman. Now Anju is what? It is a name of a female. So what we will use for feminine? She. So she is a brave and strong. Pronouns can be used to talk about one person or thing or more than one person or thing. Pronouns can be used to talk about one person or thing or more than one person or thing. Now we look at the table. Singular, plural. I, you, he, she, it. All these are singular. In plural, we, you, they. Look at the second table. Me, it, him, her. Us, them, them. Now again we will read the table, children. I, singular, the plural it is we. Singular, you, so it will be you only for the plural. He, she, it is used for singular. For plural we use they, T-H-E-Y, they. Singular, me, so plural will be us. Singular, it, the plural will be them. Singular, him, her, plural will be them. Let's practice. Now we will do this exercise. Read the sentences below. Read the sentences below. Fill in the blanks with pronoun in place of the nouns given in the bracket. One has been done for you. The cat is new. The cat is new. Now dash, the cat is given in the bracket, the coat is new. The coat is new. In the bracket it is given the coat is green. So what is the coat is a non-living thing, right? So for the coat, what pronoun we will use? It, it. Again we will read the sentence. The coat is new. It is green. What? It is green. Now we will go to the next page. Turn to page number 5050. B number. The pictures are on the wall. The pictures are on the wall. Now over here, pictures are there. The sentence is in plural form. Now, dash, the picture are nice. Over here you can see it is in plural form and it is are nice. So what you will use pronoun over here? They, because it is more than one. The sentence is in plural form. So how will you read the sentence? The pictures are on that wall. They are nice. They are nice. The pictures are on that wall. They are nice. C number. My sister and I were watching TV when. Over here again see, there are sentences in plural form. My sister and I were watching TV when dash, my sister and I heard some noise. So over here what it will be? We. Why we have used we? Because the sentence is in plural form. So we will repeat again. My sister and I were watching TV when we heard some noise. When we heard some noise. I like Tina and Ramesh. D number. I like Tina and Ramesh. In the bracket, Tina and Ramesh are my friends. So what will you use over here? Tina and Ramesh are two persons, more than two. They are in singular form. So what will you say? They are my friends. So what will you say? Tina, I like Tina and Ramesh. They are my friends. Number E. Neetu has a brother. Neetu has a brother. Dash, Neetu loves dash her brother very much. So what will you write over here? She. Why? Because Neetu is given in the bracket. So she is a feminine. Neetu is a name of a girl. So we will write she. And has a brother. She loves her brother. Again her brother is a male, masculine. So we will use him very much. So what the sentence became? Neetu has a sister. Neetu has a brother. Neetu has a brother. She loves him very much. F1. Rajni's uncle is riding a bike. Rajni's uncle is riding a bike. Rajni loves riding. The bracket is given the bike. The bike is what? It is a non-living thing. It is a thing. So for that we will use it. So the sentence becomes Rajni's uncle is riding a bike. Rajni loves riding it. G. My dog Rocky plays with a toy ball. My dog Rocky plays with a toy ball. Dash my dog. So he likes to chew eat the bone. He likes to chew it. The bracket is the bone. It is a thing. So we will write it. So he likes to chew it. H. My friends have invited you and me for lunch. So for you and me, what pronoun we will use? Us. Us for lunch. My friends have invited us for lunch. Now I will go to next exercise. Replace the noun expressions given in bold with suitable pronouns. Now over here you can see these are noun expression, and in bold it is given. We have to select suitable pronoun for it. In bold it is given, we have to select a suitable pronoun for it. One example is done for us. Mithun and I reached home late. Again Mithun and I took a taxi. So what will you write? Mithun and I reached home late. We took a taxi. Instead of Mithun and I, what we have used? We took a taxi. Now B1. My father is a tall man. My father is 6 feet 2 inches in height. So over here we will write the first sentence. My father is a tall man. Now again my father has come. So what we will write? He is 6 feet 2 inches in height. Why we have used he? Because my father is a masculine. So for that we will use he. He is 6 feet 2 inches in height. C number. When Venki's brother goes shopping. When Venki's brother goes shopping, Venki's brother brings nice books for Venki. When Venki's brother goes shopping, Venki's brother brings nice books for Venki. So we'll write the sentence. When Venki's brother goes shopping, over here Venki's brother it is. So what will you use? He brings nice books for him. He brings nice books for him. D. Ravi and Sheikh missed the train. Ravi and Sheikh missed the train. So Ravi and Sheikh took the bus. So what is the correct over here? Ravi and Sheikh missed the train, so they took the bus. Ravi and Sheikh, again it is used. So for them what will use pronoun? They took a bus. Suitable pronoun is they. F. E1. The dresses here are new. E. The dresses here are new. And what will you write? The dresses are my sisters. The dresses are my sister. So what will you write? The dresses here are new. Again the dresses have come. So what will you write? They are my sisters. They are my sister. What pronoun you will use? They. They are my sisters. F. A cat likes milk. A cat likes milk. A cat also likes fish. A cat also likes fish. A cat likes milk. And for a cat, what we will use? It can also eat a lot of fish. It can also eat lot of fish. Exercise 3. Complete the passage by filling in the blanks. What we have to do? Your passage is given. We have to fill in the blanks with the correct suitable pronouns. The old wizard gave the shoes to Kiku and me. The old wizard gave the shoes to Kiku and me. Kiku is my sister and I am her brother. So I've written I over here because am has come. It is talking about singular. So I am his brother. Dash are good pair of mischief. Dash are a good pair of mischief. So are, this sentence is plural. So what pronoun we will use? We are good pair of mischief. The wizard loves dash very much for the mischief. So the wizard loves us very much for the mischief. We make. Dash lets us play with the magic wand. So he lets us play with the magic wand. His shoes are also magical. What? His shoes are also magical. We can walk on water wearing the shoes. We can walk on water wearing the shoes. They shine like gold in sunlight. They shine like gold in sunlight. So dear children, I hope you have understood this exercise. You have to complete this exercise in your textbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.